We all love a strong shower, so having high water pressure sounds like a dream, right? But in the world of plumbing, there is such a thing as too much of a good thing. If your water pressure is excessively high, it's not a luxury, it's actually a serious threat to your home. Think of water pressure like blood pressure. It needs to be in a healthy range. For a residential home, the safe zone is typically between 40 and 60 psi. Anything consistently over 80 psi is considered dangerously high. Municipal water supplies often pump water at much higher pressures, sometimes over 100 psi, to ensure it reaches fire hydrants and tall buildings. So, what's the harm? High pressure puts constant, excessive stress on your pipes and joints. It creates a phenomenon called water hammer, that loud banging or thumping noise you hear in the walls when a faucet turns off abruptly. Over time, this shockwave can loosen joints, cause pinhole leaks, and even lead to a catastrophic pipe burst. Your plumbing fixtures and appliances are the next victims. Washing machines, dishwashers, and water heaters are built to handle standard pressures. When forced to operate at 80 or 100 psi, the internal valves, seals, and hoses wear out rapidly. High pressure is a leading cause of premature appliance failure and voided warranties. The solution is a device called a pressure reducing valve, or PRV. It's a bell-shaped brass valve installed on your main water line where it enters your home. It acts as a gatekeeper, taking the high pressure from the city street and stepping it down to a safe, manageable level for your house. Even if you already have a PRV, they don't last forever. The rubber parts inside eventually wear out, usually every 10 to 15 years, allowing high pressure to creep back in. You can test your pressure easily with an inexpensive gauge from a hardware store attached to an outdoor spigot. If it reads over 75 or 80 psi, you need a new regulator immediately. High water pressure is a silent destroyer of plumbing systems. Don't wait for a burst pipe or a broken appliance to find out your pressure is too high. For professional pressure testing and PRV installation or replacement, trust the experts at Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com or call today to protect your home.